Melissa. And I'm using Lexi's camera, and I'm going to do a backflip. Ready? Yeah. Now I'm going to do a front flip. Ready? I fell down into the ground. This is my backyard. This is my trampoline. That's my waterfall. Tortugas! Mira las tortugas! Woo! Hi. I'm bouncing on Alyssa's trampoline because she went to go get her speakers so we can blast your music. Watch this. It's really cool. Did you see that? I went upside down. Okay, well, that's her backyard. Just that. Just kidding! It's this sassy backyard. With a waterfall. Oh, so sassy. Oh, look. It's Alyssa.
Hissing. Ready? Go. Do your hissing. I'm taking a video.
No, you're not going to take a video of me. That's very mean.
I'm already taking a video.
Well, tell Lola not to take a video.
Lola, don't take a video. It's so ugly.
Don't be mean to Lola. She's a nice young dog.
Lola, you're a nice young dog. Think you said so. It's Lexi and Alyssa. It's the ugly one.
No, be nice. You have to be sure.
Go.
It's our time. Own it. Let's serve it.